So in step 12, hyperlinks from an image to a website in a new window. Create a hyperlink from the image of a tree on homepage.htm. The hyperlink should direct the user to the following website. So it's the same website from the previous question. So I'm just going to copy this, but it's going from the image of the tree. And that's going to be open in a new window called _external. So just like before, just be careful, this name might change, so just keep in mind that it's not always the same. So go to the image of the tree, right click, I'm going to click on hyperlink. You might not see it, but the hyperlink is here on the screen. You're just going to click on hyperlink from that menu, and then you would type out that address. I'm just going to paste it, and to make sure it opens in a new window, you've got to go back to target frame, new window, and it's not _blank, it's _external, and say OK. And say OK. Alright, and that is how you hyperlink from an image to a website.